everybody, welcome to Mrs Wilkes. This is a landmark in Savannah, and it's a great place to come. Now you see this line here. It opens at 11 o'clock. It's only open from 11 to 2 each day, but the food is spectacular. And if you've ever seen the Harry Potter movies where they all sit down and all of a sudden the table's filled with food, that's kind of what happens here. Everybody's going to walk in and the tables are going to be filled with food. They have like 20 different side dishes besides the main. You can eat as much as you want. You're going to end up sitting next to somebody you don't know maybe, but it's a great experience and the food is phenomenal. Let's go inside and take a look. Hard right.
Hello, how's everyone doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing well. This sweet tea that we placed on the table for you all with any
And the aftermath.
All right. Yes, ma'am.
You're part of this. All right. So most of us survived eating at Mrs. Wilkes. It was wonderful as ever. You saw all the food, and it's just an amazing place. You ever find yourself in Savannah? Make standing in line here part of your trip because it's worth every second. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. So, as long as it's waiting in line day, we waited in line this morning for Mrs. Wilkes. Now it's time for Leopolds. This is Savannah's place to come if you want ice cream. So let's have our dessert now.
Did you see the cat cafe? I did not. Cat cafe?
So the question to ask, was it worth waiting in line for 25 minutes to get ice cream at Leopolds here? And the answer is absolutely yes. Now I love the flavor of bananas, but banana ice cream is usually terrible because it's so artificial. Well, this place to make 3 5-gallon jugs of banana ice cream uses 40 pounds of bananas, and it is pristine, it's beautiful. So if you find yourself in Savannah and you want dessert, Leopolds is definitely not to be missed. So that's it for today's Monday Morning Coffee. Thank you for joining me. See you online again soon. Bye-bye.